Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee project begins now. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be changing out the window regulator on this rear driver's side door. This has obviously been a problem in this vehicle for a while because it already has a little rubber wedge in the window, keeping that glass almost up. So I'll have to get the door panel off and then we can get that regulator swapped out. And the door panel actually has two screws. The first one is in here, which we'll get that out. All right, and the second screw is here on the door panel. That door panel is held in by these cheap yellow plastic clips. I'm managing to break about half of them as I'm removing this panel. So it is something that you'll want to make sure you have these plastic clips to replace. And then once you get the door panel off, you'll need to unhook the wires for that power window switch. Okay, so once the door panel is off, you got two bolts there and one bolt down here. And then you just need to unbolt those, and then that window regulator will come out. Alright, and this is 10 millimeter. Just need to loosen that one up a little bit. This one will need to come all the way out. Here, we just need to loosen that one up. And then there's also the motor for the power windows. There are 3 bolts here, and we'll need to take those out to get that motor out for the power windows. The bolts here that hold in the power windows motor is an 8 millimeter. So there's 2 there, and there's one right under the speaker. And that one we'll have to take all the way out. Once you got that all loosened up, ready to take out, you do have to unhook the cable here. So if you just follow that along, it plugs in right there. So you need to unplug the power windows motor, and then you'll be able to plug the power cable in for that new power windows motor. So I did have to remove the speaker so I could get access to the pin that holds the window regulator to the glass itself. Once I got that out, then I was able to pull the window regulator and the motor out from over here. And now I just need to put the new one in. I just need to insert all of this here. Took a couple of tries here, but Alright, now that I've got that window regulator in there, I just got to tighten up these bolts. Alright, got this other one. Alright, then the one on the bottom. All right, now I just got to plug in the power window motor. And that's just good and snug in there. All right, so I've got the window attached to the regulator. I just need to put the little metal clips in there to hold the window on. You might be able to see this side a little bit better. Alright, so I got all those clips in. I tightened up the bolts for the power window motor, plugged in the new cable, got the speaker back in. Now I just got to plug in the electrical for the switch. And that literally just pops right in here. Put this door panel back on. Now that the door panel is all back on, we'll test that window regulator. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.